Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Introduction. After failed negotiations last year, a recent report suggests that Tesla may soon establish a manufacturing facility in India. Talks between Tesla and the Indian government are underway, indicating a shift towards setting up a local production plant instead of solely relying on vehicle imports. This article explores the latest developments and the potential implications of a Tesla India factory becoming a global export hub. The change in strategy. Tesla has made a significant shift in its strategy for the Indian market, moving away from importing vehicles and instead aiming to establish local manufacturing. This change in approach follows a crucial meeting between Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the USA. Reports suggest a potential production capacity of 500,000 units annually, with starting prices as low as 20 lakh rupees, approximately ex-showroom. Affordable Tesla vehicles. Considering Tesla's current vehicle lineup, there are no models priced at rupees. This development could not only be a milestone for Tesla but also benefit the brand in other ASEAN countries. To make electric vehicles more affordable in India, Tesla is contemplating significant investments in local battery manufacturing. This strategic decision has the potential to greatly contribute to India's electric vehicle ecosystem and reinvigorate the country's charging infrastructure. If Tesla also chooses to invest in its supercharger network, it would further strengthen India's position as an emerging global automotive hub, leading the way in greener transportation. Conclusion. The renewed talks between Tesla and the Indian government indicate a growing possibility of a Tesla India factory becoming a reality. The shift towards local manufacturing aligns with India's focus on the Make in India initiative. Additionally, increased investments in battery manufacturing and charging infrastructure would further strengthen India's automotive industry. Thanks for watching. Credits to Motoroids.com. Please subscribe Autocar India for more updates.